So today we're gonna introduce the TOPCON, especially the Drago series of Phono Solar. And about the Drago series, this part is about the reason why we call our TOPCON series as Drago series, because in Greek, Drago is sharp eyes, which means powerful and energetic.
Okay.
Also, profitable for the TOPCON solar panels. And this is the contents about today's training. And firstly, we're going to introduce the background and prospect. About the background and prospect. Nowadays, PV is in post-PERC times, and the industry urgently needs a new technology to break the limit of conversation efficiency, because TOPCON has higher conversation efficiency upper limit and better performance at lower cost. So TOPCON is becoming the innovative technology leading the PV renovation.
Compared to other technologies, what difference, how in percentage?
We're gonna,
compared to the old, let's say, technologies, how the efficiency increase in percent?
We're gonna introduce later.
Okay.
Yeah, we will introduce this. We can see this graphic, and the green part, this part is the mono-PERC. It's currently the panels that you are buying from us, also the most popular technology in the industry now. And we can see the yellow part. The yellow part is the TOPCON. See, this is our estimation, and we estimate that the market share of TOPCON increase year by year. And for this year, our estimation is the TOPCON, the market share of TOPCON gonna be at least 30% in this industry. So now what's TOPCON? See, this is the structure. The full name of TOPCON is tunnel oxide passivated contact. Existing PERC tech, the core structure of the TOPCON includes an extra thin layer of silicon dioxide, see, tunneling layer. An extra thin layer of silicon dioxide using the quantum tunneling effect to allow electrons to pass smoothly while preventing hole recombination. And because of this can enhance the open circuit voltage and the short circuit current of the solar cell. So efficiency gonna be improved. And because of this, with the same solar panel, with the same dimension, the power rating of TOPCON solar panels can be increased between 15 to 20 PERC. For example, you are buying 550 of mono PERC from us, and the same dimension for the TOPCON, we can make extra 20 watts more. So it means 570 watts. And here, in theoretical limit efficiency of TOPCON is more than 28%. But for the efficiency of mono PERC, the maximum, theoretically maximum data in the lab is no more than 23%. And you can see here, here's the production process, the comparison between PERC. See, clustering the same, diffusion the same. The difference is only here, and other production process is also the same. So this is also the reason why most of the manufacturers on the market, they choose TOPCON technology, because TOPCON and Mono have a compatibility rate of over 70% in terms of the technology and the equipment, especially the production line, which means the existing mono-PERC production lines can be directly updated to produce TOPCON solar panels. They only need to update the production lines in some parts, like and here is the about the development of the cell efficiency. See, mono-PERC, PERC cell, mono-PERC, no more than 23%. But for N-TOPCON, the efficiency is over 24%. But actually, the theoretically maximum efficiency is more than 28%. So there are still many space for the TOPCON technology to increase the cell efficiency. And here about the Dragon series of Phono Solar. See, 570 watt. This is same dimension, the same. We can see here, this is big panel with 144 half-cut cells, and the power rating is 570. And another type is 108 half-cut cells, and the power rating is 430. But for the mono-PERC of this dimension of the 108 half-cut cells, the maximum power rating of mono-PERC is only 410. And then why Dragon? By the way, hi George, you asked me about the multi-busbar technology.
Yes.
Yeah, the multi-busbar technology for the mono-PERC, the busbar is 10 busbar, which means there are 10 busbar on the panels. But for the TOPCON, our technology is 16 busbar technology. And in this way, with this multi-busbar technology, it can improve the optical utilization of the cell, and it can reduce the front of the cell and improves the performance, the front side, because of the multi-busbar. And in this way, we can reduce the electrical loss of the solar panels and improving the power of the module. So that's the benefits of the multi-busbar technology. There are 5 main features about the TOPCON technology: extraordinary product performance, up to 22% conversation efficiency. And another outstanding point is about the warranty, because for the mono-PERC, the product warranty is 12 years and the performance warranty is 25 years. But for this new TOPCON technology, the product warranty is 15 years and the performance warranty is 30 years. And see here, first year degradation is less than 1%, with minor degradation of 0.4% per year for 30 years. And another outstanding I will show you later. And the second feature is higher bifaciality, and we also have a photo, and we're gonna show you later. The third one is zero LID and NTPID, because with no LID naturally it can increase the power generation. And the fourth feature is higher profits, especially the lower LCOE, because the final target of the PV photovoltaic investment is to generate more profits with lower LCOE. Application conditions, for example, BIPV is also okay, and also vertical installation is why installed panels is I have seen some projects in Germany. And here is the comparison between PERC and TOPCON. See, here is the gap. Currently, we can produce 500. Here is about the competitiveness of high temperature. See, TOPCON maximal 43.7 degree. Voltage temperature better than PERC, and here also better than PERC. And another, see, here is some information about the multiple bus bar, optical gain, electrical gain. And another point is, I just forgot, another point is about the micro crack resistance. With multiple bus bar technology, it can reduce the risk of micro crack. Okay. See, here is higher bifaciality, up to 30% additional power yield benefited from the bifacial technology. Because for TOPCON, all TOPCON panels are double glass. It's bifacial. And here is about the product performance. You can see the difference here. LID of PERC and TOPCON. See, there zero at TOPCON. And here, lower LETID. See the difference. Is more and yen TOPCON. And here is about the product warranty and performance warranty. See, TOPCON better than the mono PERC here. And here, efficiency factor 50% extra of TOPCON compared to PERC. See, higher bifacial gain. And degradation for the PERC panels, the first year degradation is no more than 2%, but for TOPCON is no more than 1%. That's why we can give our products 15 years product warranty. It's because of the improved technology. Also, the linear degradation 0.45% of mono PERC, and here 0.4% of TOPCON. So we can give 30 years product performance warranty. And here is the of the profits. See the same dimension, 540 or 550, but for TOPCON directly 565 or 570. Both and better power generation. And we have some data from the from our own project. Examples of class 1 light resource area, 100 megawatts in Qinghai, single axis tracker PV system with 40% ground reflectivity, based on TOPCON technology. More expensive than PERC modules, but TOPCON bifacial modules with lower both cost and higher power generation. When the price difference between N TOPCON module and P TOPCON module is this, the kilowatt hours of the two is the same, because of course the TOPCON is more expensive than the mono PERC. But when we consider the final power generation, the final profits of the photovoltaic project, it's more profitable for TOPCON compared to the mono PERC. Also, comparison between PERC and TOPCON. It's and here we can directly see the graphic here. See the green part is TOPCON and the orange part is PERC. The power generation always higher. And see this project, it's 410 watts of TOPCON, but it's 455 of mono PERC. And this is, yeah. PERCs. See, in order to form a good silicon alley, the rear side of PERC cell must be laser treated, so which creates voids on the rear side of the cell and thus leads to the risk of PERC module cracks. But TOPCON doesn't have this problem, and the metallization depth of TOPCON cell is less than this, so it can minimize the risk of micro crack and a snail trail. Because for the micro crack, we cannot see by our eyes. It can only be seen by the EL test. Like, see. About our panels, we have made some innovative things on our small TOPCON cells, solar panels, because we have updated the double glass to 1.6 millimeter. So it's with thinner and lighter glass. The weight of the solar panels is also lighter. It's not heavy. So it's for this one 430 watt. It's perfect for, especially for the commercial project on the roof, because it can be carried directly by one person. Only 21 kilogram. See, here are some tests about the load. Of and monoPERC. See, more than the IEC standard is higher than the standards in the industry. Also, some tests. This is about the hail impact. Withstand the impact of 35 millimeter ice ball, safe and sound. See, ice ball diameter, this is 25 millimeter, and this is 35 millimeter. We have passed the 35 millimeter ice ball. So there's no problem with 1.6 millimeter double glass. Here's the summary of the small one, 430 watt. The hail test passed. Static load test passed. Dynamic load test passed. Another comparison of PERC and TOPCON about the bifaciality, see, higher than monoPERC. And about the degradation better than no LED at TOPCON than PERC. Temperature coefficient, see, better than PERC. Everything is better than PERC except the price. So why Phono is like some introduction about the production, about the factory. We have introduced before when we first met. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, these two pictures are the best examples for the TOPCON technology. See, this is small one for the commercial project on the roof, and this one is for the ground mounted project. And here is about the roadmap of production. TOPCON, see, currently is 570 watt. And in the Q3 or Q4 of this year, the power rating gonna be increased more than 570 watt. Directly increase. Okay, that's all.
Okay, Leo, thanks. I have some question for you. What about Mr. Young? Is he is going to join or? Leo, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Young, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great. I have some question about this presentation. I have some notes.
Mm-hmm.
And can you explain a little bit more about this lower LCOE? Can you give a more profound presentation? Just to go deep in this, how this lower LCOE improves the performance of the panels?
The lower LCOE 那个度电成本它是怎么降低的？
度电成本就是刚刚你那个 PPT 里面度电成本是吧？
对，
度电成本它其实是那个就是投资，你一次性投资，然后跟后面的那个叫就是你所有的这个发电量收益嘛，对不对？然后它因为是 N 型 TOPCON 跟 PERC 相比，它在生命周期里面它可以获得更多的发电量，所以它的发电量收益是要比 PERC 要多的，就同样的装机量，它比 PERC 要更多，所以它就是这样，就是把度电成本就是降下来了。
Okay. Sorry, I have to translate.
Okay.
So the LC terminology in the investment. So for example, we have two projects now. The first one is 1 megawatt, but it's with TOPCON solar panels. And the second one is also 1 megawatt, but it's mono PERC solar panels. Because of the product performance, because of the lower degradation of TOPCON, so the investor can have this project generating power for long time, at least for extra 5 years of TOPCON. So in this way, the photovoltaic system or the photovoltaic project has longer lifespan. So it can generate more profits.
More energy,
right.
more profits. Okay, I understand.
Yeah, right. Yep.
So we have a questions here from our clients and about these TOPCON technologies, and some of them have doubts that this technology is very new. It's not proven yet. Can you share your knowledge or experience from your job sites, from your projects, proven records of success that this technology is on the market from some time, and there is already some facts about how it performs, and it's really much more better than the technologies like mono PERC and some other.
Okay, I'm gonna send you our projections and also send you the comparison of the PV project of both mono PERC and TOPCON. And another point is this technology is not new technology developed this year or last year. It's ago. But why nobody cares about this technology? Because mono PERC is so popular until now, maybe also until next year. And another factor is about the money, about the price, because the price difference between mono PERC and TOPCON was like really huge in the past years, because just only few factories manufacture this technology, these solar panels. So they have to make more profits to, how to say, back of the investment of the update of their production line. But now the situation is totally different, because you can see many manufacturers are promoting this technology, and it's not new, it's already mature on the market. And also for the Chinese government, they have gigawatts project in China, and they also use TOPCON. So I will send you more information.
Okay, so can we say that when your company, your Phono Solar especially, and other companies that are focusing on developing TOPCON technologies, can we say that when you expand your production capacity, this could cause the price to go down compared to in last 3-4 years?
the price of TOPCON gonna go down compared to the past years. And most importantly is Phono Solar is building our own TOPCON cell. It's 4 gigawatt TOPCON cell. And we the production gonna be done, and the production line gonna come into use in September this year.
September, okay.
Yeah, right. Because we only in this way we have our own cell factory. We can control the cost of well, and we can cut, make the price go down.
Lower, of course. Great.
Yeah, right.
So in the beginning of your presentation, you mentioned the efficiency of the TOPCON technologies, that the TOPCON technology solar cells offer better efficiency. Can you say, compared to mono-PERC, you say that the limitation of the mono-PERC technologies is up to 23%, right? Am I understand you correctly?
And for mono-PERC,
For mono-PERC is 23%, not more. Cannot grow more.
Yeah, no more than 23.
Okay, what about TOPCON technologies? What we could theoretically, okay, say theoretically, what percent?
Theoretically, efficiency limitation is more than 28% of
28.
TOPCON, but
Okay.
it's only theoretically data from the lab. We still
Understand. And
currently is more than 24%, but yeah, right.
what about the Draco series? And could you say what is the efficiency of the current panels, the panels that are produced today? I mean, Draco series. What is the efficiency of the panels?
哎，聪哥，他那个我们现在的那个 Draco Series 那个效率是多少啊？
就是组件是吧？
对，就我们刚才说的那个 mono-PERC 不超过23%。
他那个说的是电池片的效率。
啊，那我们现在做的那个 TOPCON 电池片效率是多少？
实际的电池片效率应该现在在24左右，然后但是那个实验室的极限效率其实要更高，就是那个记录。
就28是吧
？28好像没到吧？应该还没到28，我印象里面。
对，currently the Draco series we are producing now, the cell efficiency is 24%.
24.
Yeah, 24%.
Great.
就它这个效率一定要就是区分开电池的效率归电池的效率，组件的效率归组件的效率。是不一样的。
And there are two efficiencies. One efficiency is the cell efficiency, and another efficiency is the conversion efficiency of the solar panels. So they are different.
Yes.
对于这种
So before you said that efficiency of the solar panel is different than the efficiency of the solar cell. I think this is very, very important, and just a few people understand it. Can you go more on this? Can you explain it?
OK， 就是它电池效率跟组件的效率是一样的。他想，因为他说很多人都不知道这个区别，他想我们再给他讲一下这个的区别。
这个就是告诉他效率是怎么来的。效率是有一个公式来计算，是它的实际的输出功率，然后除以它的面积，然后电池片就是以单片电池的功率除以电池片的面积，这个是电池的效率，对不对？然后组件的效率就是我们组件不是有一个外尺寸嘛，就是我们正常说的组件什么2278乘以1134，这是组件的尺寸。然后组件有一个输出功率，就是名牌上的功率，名牌功率除以组件的尺寸，就是组件的效率。然后一般情况下，组件的效率是比电池的效率要低，为什么呢？因为它在那个组件里面，它电池片串并联，电池片跟电池片之间有那个间隙， 它间隙是不发电的，所以它效率要比实际的电池效率要低一点。
Okay. So it's like a mathematical question. And for the efficient panel, for example, for the 550 watt, this panel you built, and the efficiency of the solar panels is 550 watts divide the dimension of the solar panel.
Okay.
And for the cell efficiency, it's the power rating of each cell divides the square meters of each cells. And the efficiency of solar panel is lower than the efficiency of solar cells. Why? Because, okay, I don't have many pins on hand. For example,
Okay.
this is cell and this is also cell. They are putting like, and here are some space between the cells.
Okay.
Can you understand? Yeah, and for this space, they don't generate power. They don't generate power.
Understand.
So the efficiency of solar panel is less than the efficiency of solar cell.
Okay, and in our previous conversation, you said that it's very important, not only the quality, the efficiency of the cell is important for overall performance of the solar panel, but also the other parts, because the panel is like a composite, is a system from many things, not only the solar cell, but also the frame, the glass, the backside, and so on and so on. So how we can make sure that we have a solar panel that it consists quality components?
Actually, in this industry, all the warranty will be insured by the insurance company. So, for example, for Phono Solar, for us, for a state-owned Chinese company, we only use the best top 3 raw materials to produce our panels. So we promise our clients that the TOPCON solar panels can generate power for 30 years, but actually in the reality, it's more than 30 years.
Okay.
Yeah. Because so, it's just like joking. If we use bad raw materials to produce the solar panels to cut down the price, if there are any problems because we are a state-owned company belongs to the government, then I'm gonna put into jail.
Very fine. Okay.
I was joking, just joking.
Yeah, I understand that you're joking. So okay, so that was the main question. The most of the questions that are asked about these technologies is because at the moment the price is higher than the mono-PERC technologies. You understand that? And in a market like Bulgaria, the price is very important. And I need to explain more about the overall return of investment that you mentioned in your presentation, because at the end of the day, this is the most important for every investor. Does he or she make more profits? Does he make more energy? And if, okay, you pay a little bit more for solar panel, but at the end of the day, the quantity of the energy you produce for a whole year could cause return of investment like for 3 years instead of 4 years, for example. Sorry. So my point of view is that actually when you produce more energy, you could return your investment in shorter period of time. Is that true?
Yeah, right. Quickly and longer.
Yeah. So you're very confident about the development of these new technologies. I mean, N-type and the TOPCON technology. Are there any other available technologies that would compare TOPCON? How is the market right now? Phono Solar and other big Chinese producers are focusing on TOPCON. Is there other technologies that is similar to TOPCON, and how is the market right now? Why Phono Solar choose to focus on TOPCON? Why you believe in this technology?
Okay. 哎，聪哥，聪哥，他问还有什么其他的那些技术是可以跟 TOPCON 相比较的？然后为什么 Phono 会选择 TOPCON 这个技术路线？我要给他讲什么 BC 的那些吗？还是直接讲那个 H 的那个？
我觉得呢，就是说我们现在其实市场上这些主流的技术，我们自己内部的其实都有在研究。然后我们 Phono 认为就是PERC 还会存在大概1年左右的时间，然后会慢慢转到这个 N 型的时代。然后 N 型现在是分为3个技术路线，主流的3个技术路线，一个是 TOPCON， 一个是 HJT， 然后还有一个就是 IBC， 我们认为就是说从这个整个行业的这个趋势来看 ，TOPCON 它是目前最快达成这种大面积量产的。然后 HJT 我们认为还有2年左右时间，它也会慢慢的就是市场占有率会上来。然后我们其实这个一定要跟他讲，就是说 HJT 其实我们内部也正在进行一系列的测试，就是后期我们也可能会推出相应的产品，这个话就不说死了，对吧？然后那个 IBC 我们就是认为它短期内现在价格还是非常高的，它距离量产就是大批量出货还是有一定的距离啊。
但是那个 IBC 的效率是理论最高的，是吧？比那个 HJT 还要高。
对，理论效率是最高的，但由于它就是成本特别贵，成本特别高，就是离这种商用还是有一段距离的。
它那个理论的效率分别是多少？那个 IBC？
我操，这个我还得查一下，但是我建议就是不跟他讲那个极限理论，就跟他排个序就行了。从这个理论极限排序就是 IBC 大于 HJT 大于 TOPCON。
Okay. Currently, the top one is IBC. IBC is a new technology. So advanced, it's too top and it's too expensive, so we don't consider. Also, other top manufacturers also they didn't choose IBC. And top two is HJT. I guess you know HJT, right?
Yes.
And we are also preparing for the HJT, but we think it will still need 2 years, at least 2 years, to see, okay, everywhere is HJT on the market. Because for the most manufacturers, they have mono-PERC. They have so many mono-PERC production lines. So if they want to produce HJT, they have to buy new equipment for the production line. Yeah, right. That's totally new.
Understand.
Too much money.
Investment. Understand.
Yeah, and top. Yeah.
I get it.
But we are also preparing for the HJT, maybe next year. But this year we're gonna promote TOPCON at first.
TOPCON, understand.
Yeah. Because for the customers, they can accept the price of TOPCON, but for HJT, that's really too much.
So the technology is not developed yet to, I mean, for higher quantity and lower prices. It needs to be developed more. Understand?
Yeah. Still need time. Because monoperk will not die this year, will not die next year, but gonna die gradually in the next few years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think that's my question for now. If you have something more to add, I don't have more questions right now.
Okay. I see you have promoted the drug series on LinkedIn, on Facebook, right?
Yes, we also believe that this is the technology that is going to replace monoperk, because now I see the investors like looking for greater efficiency in order to produce more energy and to let's say make the period for the investment shorter.
Yeah.
Because now the price of energy in Bulgaria is high, maybe in few years would be lower, and everybody want to invest now when he or she can sell the energy for higher prices. And that's why everybody is looking for greater efficiency of their solar power plants. And I think that if TOPCON technology offer greater efficiency than monoperk, you said that there is a potential to grow from 24 to up to 27 or 28%. This would be beneficial for the investors. And also you mentioned other benefits, and some of them are new for me, and we're going to mention them in our promotion, because it's very important. Actually, they add to the whole picture of how TOPCON technology is better than monoperk right now. As you said, except the price, everything is better. So we believe in this too.
Everything is better. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. I have the last topic. Have you heard about HPPC?
No.
It's promoted by LONGi. They don't choose TOPCON, they don't choose HJT, they don't choose IBC. They generate a new terminology, and it's called HPPC.
HPPC.
But you know, actually HPPC is monoperk. But you know why? Because LONGi has decades or hundreds gigawatt of production globally on the world, and they are all TOPCON, but they are all monoperk. So they don't have any choice, you know.
Yes. They need to change the equipment for the factories. Yes. A lot of investment.
Yeah, right. But for Phono Solar, we have only 4 gigawatts production capacity. So we are more flexible to follow up the newest technology on the market.
I like your strategy. It's very important. So
yeah, because we, you know, state-owned company, we have to be stable.
So you have enough capacity to offer competitive prices, and at the same time you stay small enough to be very flexible and adaptive to because the technologies are changing every day, right? As you said, now is now is monoperk, tomorrow will be TOPCON, and maybe in the next year we're going to see other technologies that will be more ready for the market.
Yeah, right.
I like your strategy.
Because we are not extreme. We are not on this side or on this side. We always, you know, stay in the middle.
Okay, great.
Neutral. Yeah, right.
So I'd like to thank Mr. Yang for the time to be with us today and to share this knowledge and experience about the TOPCON. And I hope I'll see you soon. And we have other conversation about this technology. And we're going to, at the end of the day, we hope we're going to promote it successfully on our market.
Yep. For others, just free to let me know.
Of course. So thank you, Leo.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Thank you, George and Marita.